Tingnan niyo si Holly.
Look.
Hawak-hawak ni baby
And
si Moshi.
Look at that Moshi.
Oh!
Wait.
Yeah. Talian ko muna siya. Si Moshi, hawak-hawak ni
She doesn't
baby.
want to let go.
Mm-hmm.
If I take her away, she'll cry.
Okay. Winter Christmas sa amin, guys. Dito na kami sa car. Papunta tayo kila Auntie Mel. And super lamig and super pangit ng weather. Yes? What? Oh. Tulog ang baby niya. Kasama si Moshi. Tingnan mo siya. Oh. At least gustong-gusto niya yung regalo ni Father Christmas. Ha? Yeah, we'll be last. I think late ka. Hindi naman late kasi anong oras na? 11:49. Lunch naman yung aming lunch yung ating Christmas lunch sa family ni Jan. So, nandoon lahat except isang kapatid ni Jan, tas the rest nandoon. So, yan guys, and ito yung ating outfit. Hindi dapat yung outfit ko ay pang summer, pero dahil sa weather, hindi natin yun nasuot. Diba, ang dami kong nabili sa Showpo. Yeah, na-haul ko yun sa inyo. Wala tayong may susuot dun kasi super lamig. Kaya blazer tayo from Korea, jeans, and my espadrille na white shoes. Then my crossbody bag. Yeah.
He's got his phone.
Yeah, si Sa.
Music to play with.
Yeah, si Kuya, may phone na.
I'm getting one.
Kailangan niya yan dahil, di ba? Ano?
I've got to get one in 2 years because I'll be year 7. No, hang on. 3 years.
3 years. So, 3 years
But
plus
Dad
isa.
said it when I'm 12, so that's 2 years.
Okay. Alright. Sila nag-pack ng mga dadali ng pagkain dun sa kila Auntie Mel. Sana nadala nila lahat.
Well, actually,
Kasi habang
2 years.
ginagawa nila yung nag-aayos ako kasi di ba nagluto pa akong spring rolls. But yeah, si Holly, gusto niya yung baby niya. Oh, tapos siya rin nag-choose ng bow, green and red. Para Christmas daw.
Oh, Christmas colors.
Christmas
Green
colors.
and red and sometimes gold.
Yeah. Dito na kami kila Auntie Mel and akala ko late na kami. Hindi pa guys kasi kami pala ang nasa unahan dito. Nasa unahan. Dito kayo nakapark sa looban nila. Sa looban, akala namin sa labas na kayo magpapark. Pero no. Wala pa nga sila Dad. Wala pa sila Talana. Si M kararating-rating lang. Doon siya nagpark sa labas. Is Auntie Mel here? Akala ko umalis si Auntie Mel. Malulubat tayo. Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas. Oh. How are you? Auntie Mel, Merry Christmas!
It's so hard.
So cold.
I know, I had to make everything in there.
Oh, it's over there. It's alright. Auntie Mel cooks everything. Tingnan mo si Jan. Di niya pa tinanggal.
Whoa, that's
Can you rip me?
Wow!
Diba? Put your bag here na. Na, Holly.
Yeah,
Diaper bag ng baby niya. This is the diaper bag of our baby. It's crying. Auntie Mel.
you have a ring me and then I can save your phone.
Her...
I need the dog.
She's crying, Emma.
I don't know what to do.
Nilagay ko na yung regalo namin kay Auntie Mel.
Woo! No, Emma.
That's for travel because you love to travel now, Auntie Mel.
Oh, little one.
Oh yeah, all the scent. Yeah. Cute na?
Yeah.
Yeah, I love Esti. Ito siya guys. 4 sila na maliliit. Ang cute.
What have you got on? You smell good.
Coco Chanel.
Oh.
I don't like this at first. You know the
Sometimes they smell better on other people.
yeah.
I've got Coke one. Oh, you know.
Yeah, that one. I like this is my favorite one.
I got the one that gave me for my birthday.
Yeah, yeah. I have something for you here. I forgot. That's yours. Open
Can we hold
it.
you, baby?
Hey, give it now.
Don't make it cry. Too fun.
It's just like a baby. Look at the skin. Yeah, there is. Touch it. There's a heartbeat. Yeah, crying and then laughing.
I think he's got a dummy.
Yeah, you got a dummy.
Why didn't it open it?
Yeah, you like it?
Who did that for?
For mommy. The perfume, the roll-on perfume. Like it? Oh, don't put it there because that's Nana. Ito pala regalo ko kay Nana and kay Dad. Ayan.
No,
We'll have to say, real brand. It's got a
It's
heart.
real, yeah.
Right.
Merry Christmas. You just arrived?
Oh, I went and picked up.
Oh, yeah, Uncle Chona. Yeah. Galing siyang Adelaide. Adelaide, right? He came from Adelaide today, Em?
Oh, yesterday.
Ah, yesterday. Who's that one? Ah. Dala niyo pala yung prom? Ah, okay. Dito yung ibang hot food. Ayan.
Mom, the boys.
Kuha tayong spring rolls. Gutom na ako, guys. Kakakat lang ni Auntie Mal nung pork, hindi ko napakita sa inyo. Ang sarap. Tapos ngayon, ito naman lamb. Oh, the chicken, tapos na rin ikat. Oh my God, ang sarap. Mag-leggings ka lang yan, ma'am. Thank you. No, welcome. Ayan, ang kinakat ni Auntie Mel. What did you get?
Cricket bat.
Oh, cricket bat. And what else? What happened to your chin? What's this? Scratch?
Hindi masakit yung ano?
What's that? Favorite ng lahat. Rylin. Hello. Si Kado. What else you got? Mama, ma'am. Tingnan mo kung tumakatayo siya. Parang mama. And what else? You forgot? A new shoes. Is that the one? I love it. New shoes. Lucky. Bago pa kayo mag-lunch ni Emma. Sigal ang tawag sa amin ni ano. Bago pa kayo mag-lunch, busog na kami kasi kanina pa kami pick ng pick. Ang
I don't know how
sarap.
clear that is.
What, the camera? Yeah, it's so clear.
Oh, that's yours. What Father Christmas give you, Bobby?
Ang sarap. Ang sarap, guys. Napaka-milky. Tumutulong pero kumukuha. It's so cold, Baba. Cold. Freezing.
I'm stealing one of these too.
Yung puto mo, ubos na rin. Go ahead, auntie. We have custard cake here. Baked potatoes. Busog na kami dito. Sarap ng puto.
Especially
Rosé.
Moscato.
Ah, Moscato. Oh, cheers. Ah, Auntie Leah, you're not drinking? Auntie Leah pala. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas, everyone.
I don't know where Annie is.
Outside.
try that.
What?
I think he's outside.
Huh? Professional. Professional. You're doing six brothers.
Does he have a box? We have a box. What?
Okay, cheers guys. Merry Christmas. It's good.
No, you can't have a candy.
Sarap siya.
And get me.
Masarap kasi matamis.
Yabby.
Yabis. Pickle yabis. Can I have? Yeah, thank you, Auntie Mel. Try natin to.
I said so, the secretary, did you give my daughter discount?
Got some of that white pork carfish from their mummy on the
Yeah.
fridge
Ah, yeah.
and cooked it up. Yeah, it was beautiful.
Yeah, oh yeah.
I should do this with the lobster, Auntie Mel.
What is that?
Nice.
In
Yeah.
vinegar.
Just in vinegar. Sarap. Nice, ma'am.
No, not like that. I'll have it like that.
Ayun. Ang sarap. Vinegar lang, that's it. Bubusog na talaga ako. Labas tayo kasi okay, i-recreate nila yung photos nung bata pa yung mga bata. Ngayon, yung ibang bata may mga anak na. Dito. Insert ko yon yung i-recreate nila. Wala pa nun si Willow and si Rai Rai.
You have to sit, you're there.
Found a photograph of us without cares and worn out clothes. Doesn't seem so long ago. Now I'm just sitting here bored at home, and it really got me thinking of the times we took off on the road.
Big boy! Big boy.
He's not coming.
Brad!
Brad, you're in there.
Where's his
Holly.
Holly!
Yeah. Right, and I'll have to sit down on Zach's feet.
Can you sit like in there?
It's alright! Woo! Zachary, come here! Raika!
Right, Alex, you can head.
Have you got it?
Kainan na! Ang gulo-gulo nung pictorial ng mga bata. Ayaw kasi ni Willow, parang si Zach. Reminds me of Zachary back then.
Found a photograph of us without cares and worn out clothes. Doesn't seem so.
Oh, yum yum. Daming food. Oh, kainan na, kainan na. And then, where's your baked potato, Han?
The rice is coming.
The rice is coming.
That's fried rice for him.
Kain na rin ako.
It should be, not bloody quarter. I've been working a week.
Yeah, I'm trying to set the chicken and prawn.
Yeah, chicken prawn, yeah. Yeah, there's prawns this time. Yeah, it's not only little. Oh, ayan, umiyak na talaga siya. Di na nagpapigil si Willow.
The rice is just missing. I can't take it. It's just like that.
Dad, all these foods are hot.
I like your shoes. What's on them?
I want this part.
There's plenty of big ones.
This one? Or is it
Here, look.
yes, give it to me, Dad. Thank you, Dad. This is mine.
Hands up. Come this way. Look up.
Look, another lot. No.
Oh,
There's
yes.
big ones. They're all big.
I just stole some from.
Wow. Got my plate. I don't need. Ay. Potato bake for Johnny Boy.
Dad, is that?
Ayan yung. Wala tayo sa labas ngayon kasi ang lamig sa labas, guys. Kaya dito tayo sa shed ni Auntie Mel.
How's that hot?
Hot?
Let's go that over.
Yeah. Fried rice.
It's hot here, but it's not hot.
Yeah. Just move it, Han.
That's right. Quick like that, right?
You're right there, Han. Parang ang baba ng upuan. Han, you can lift the chair up. You sure? So, yan yung plate natin. Merry Christmas. I know late nyo ito mapapanood, but today is Christmas. Pag napanood nyo to, belated Merry Christmas, everyone. Meron tayo ditong Moscato and may Absolute Vodka. Kay Auntie Mel yan. Umiinom siya niyan with pineapple. So, kain.
Hey, oh, nice. Nice polo. Polo?
Bloody good.
Yeah, no, nice. Nice
It's
material.
not.
Nice material.
Freezing out.
For summer, Dad. Nice. You see the boat, Dad? You see the boat? Look at the boat. There's a boat print.
I'll wear
That's good. That
I'll wear that to the Philippines.
Yeah, Philippines. Yeah.
oh, you wear it here summer.
In the summer, Dad, when we go to the bay.
They're nice. Oh, nice.
New Year. Wear that on New Year.
Be freezing, bloody.
Oh.
Let's come and shit again.
Oh. Ang pangit kasi ng sa Philippines niya daw suotin.
Thanks very much.
No worry, Dad. Philip, where's Will? Tinasiwa lang tatago siya. Where is Will? Oh no! Hide, Will. Hide. I'm here. Kanina iyak siya ng iyak, ngayon okay na siya. Oh no! She can't see you! Oh no! Oh no! Ang cute niya. Time check, 2:35 na guys. Di ko pa rin nauubos yung aking kinakain kasi sobrang busog ako kanina nung pick ako ng pick kay Auntie Mel. Nung inihiwa niya ngayon, magbubukas na rin ng regalo. And yung puto natin, ayan na lang yung natitira. Sarap ng puto yan.
Bakit dinala ko?
Bakit? Go lang naman. Simula na pala, oh. What you got? Wow, lollies. Oh, will I have some? Wow. Hello.
Wow, hello.
What?
Wow.
Oh, roller skate. Wow, that's nice.
Oh, no, he's left the shed.
Yeah.
The hair they cut here.
I know, that's so cute. I love that. Ah, Lucy.
Lucy.
Oh, what do you got? Nothing.
Oh my God, wala nang.
John for Hunter Rylan and Willow. From who? From Uncle John and Chona, TJ, Zach and Holly.
Holly. You're welcome. Welcome. Wala na pala akong ano guys, na-insufficient na yung ating camera. Di man lang natapos yung ating ano dito. Parigalo. Wow! Yeah, cute. Oh, anak ng pamangkin ni Jan. Yan. Si Brianna. Gift card.
That's what.
Looks like a final vibe.
What you got, her? My love. You got your karaoke?
Which one do you got?
Oh, they got bags here, so John.
Look at that, Kuya. You got lots.
Mom, look what I got.
What you got? Oh, that's the one you really were inside.
Yup, set that up.
So, okay. Are you ready? You're listening?
Today's next ones are from Nana and Pa.
Oh, Nana and Pa.
Thank you.
Oh, no.
Oh no. Oh. Wow. Oh. What's that? Open it, yeah. Open it.
Oh no.
Toiletry. Yeah. He got one too.
He won't care.
Oh, you don't open it. What's inside, yeah? You got razor, shaver. What you got, Papa? Wow. You got. This is where you're gonna put your toothbrush. You have your own now. Oh, that's rag, a towel. It's a towel.
You have a book in there? In there?
Yeah, that's your toiletry, Baba. Thanks, Nana and Pa.
Roland, put your stuff in the bag, not you.
Now put it all back in yours and then you know.
That's sock.
Yeah, well, I'll swap with you now.
Ba, ang dami nila. Dami ng regalo. Every year, ganito sila dito.
Put all your stuff in your bag.
That's nice. I like that. But how... 13 to, yeah, that's alright. Huh?
It's the one I want. That one's
Give us your bag. You got names on there.
Ha? You're stepping on the lollies, hon. Hindi na siya magka-uga-ugaga dito. Meron pa dyan. Ayan kay Holly.
that one's
This is from Nana and Pa para sa amin. At Uncle Jay's pala.
That's from
Yeah, put that in the car, hon. Sabi ni Will, pinasa niya kay Auntie Mel. Ay, takot siya kay Uncle John. What's that? Ano yun, nakatawa lang siya doon, oh. Tinitingnan na si Uncle John. Lollies! Pinutusan niya si Auntie Mel. Look at her hand! That's from Brianna and then one from Nerissa. Smells good, Zach? May deodorant siya, oh. Yan na yung mga regalo ni Auntie Mel sa kanila kasi pa teenager na sila, di ba? Look out, Daddy got lots of chocolates.
everyone.
Thank you. Inulit nila kasi walang nakuha maayos. Okay na si si Willow, nakasmile na. That's a good one. Alright. Yay! Finally! You're smiling now. You're smiling now. You're like, yay! Willow, yay! init ng weather, guys. Oh, hindi sila masyado makapaglaro kasi ayan, umuulan na naman. Nag-start na sana sila maglaro ng cricket.
Zach, watch out. Don't kick it out.
Good kick, Papa.
Bailey, get out the rain.
Oh!
Oh, this is strange.
Oh, it's raining heavy now. Ala, lumalakas ng ulan. Getting heavier ng rain.
Where's your phone with your iCloud?
Ala, ay, yung lakas ng ulan.
Here, pin number. Wait, pin number.
Oh.
Get out.
Come
Go
on.
in the mail.
Lakas ng ulan. Ayan yung pa-flow ni Auntie Mel para sa kids. Ayan yung pagkain ko. You got two? Oh, you got lots. Ang dami pa.
But I
Oh.
got some for down the road.
Ah, you bought already? Ah, meron na rin siya para sa bag. Nadadalhin niya. Oh, that's good. Happy birthday. Oh, soft. Oh, look at that. You should try this biryani. You can have the what you call this? This one.
I just love that. I came in here for that.
Yeah.
Take it out, Reed.
Ah,
Take it out.
yeah, you can.
What is this?
It's a custard cake. Dessert na sila kanina pa.
Yeah, me too.
Ping pong. Grill it. Grill it.
Ayan yung dessert na in-order ni Auntie Mel. Same as last year. How's your pavlova? Oh, you're having ice cream.
Tiramisu.
Tiramisu, is it good?
Yeah.
I want to try it too. This one, right?
Where are the cherries?
Is this the one? No cherries. I know the cherries in the fruit cocktail.
Yeah, but I
flavors,
like
no
those little glacy
Yeah,
ones, you know?
the red ones. Do you like the pup? Pumpkin, how are you, Baba? How's your pavlova? Hindi kita na-vlog dyan. Where's the baby? Where's Violet? Sleeping? Round for Holly. Third round for Talana.
Second.
Second.
You think I have a little
May nagti-take away na, oh.
It's like my second round.
Siyempre, siya din. Hindi niya naman nakuha yung sa kanya. This is Solana's third round. Yeah.
No, they stole it off of me.
Third round for Talana.
They stole it off me.
You go this way.
But that's a long piece. I don't think I need the long piece.
Like, yeah.
I'll just go thin.
Thin one.
Oh, that's big.
You will come back. Oh, you dropped that one. Did you try Auntie You like it? Napunta pala dito yung mga una yung... See ya, Brian! See ya! Nice seeing you! Si Jan, wala na siyang room pero kakain pa rin siya ng ano. Naubos siya na yung custard cake. Ngayon, ice cream with favorite fruit salad. Mango fruit salad.
Grab two of them.
Uncle Jay's turn.
Sleeping in the bed.
You got it, Uncle Jay's?
He's being, look, TJ, look. He's being, I'm gonna raise it.
Look at the three girls watching Peppa. Oh, hi! Anong oras na? Alas 6 na ata, guys. Yeah. 6:30 now, my God. We are going home. We are going home.
Oh, sorry, hang on.
Yeah. Han, I have yeah. Oh, where I'm going? Ay, ang lamig. Ang lamig. Lamig. Ano naman yung weather, guys? Ang lamig. Ang lamig. Sobrang lamig.
Your windshield too.
Ano? Bahay na kami, guys.
Help me.
Yeah, it's already on, Han. Pina-on niya yung heater. Bahay na kami. Ayan. So, end ko na yung vlog. Yun na yung vlog natin, guys. Kasi gamit ko na phone and palobat na rin siya. So, ay, excited na silang i-hook yung, what do you call that, sa? The basketball mini hook. Mini hook? Yeah. So, yan na yung vlog, guys. Thank you. Say Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas.
Yeah, please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet seen our next vlog. I'm so excited.
Because I think